Health Watch is presented by UMass Memorial Healthcare. Here, caring for you.
Welcome to Health Watch presented by UMass Memorial Healthcare. We're talking about food labels. There's a lot of information contained in them, and that can be confusing, but it's also important for your health.
I know that label reading can be really confusing, and sometimes the more you look into it, the more confusing it seems. What we really want you to do is pay attention to some basic aspects of the food label. You want to pay attention to portion size so that you're not eating too much at one time. You want to pay attention to calories so that we can make sure you're eating enough throughout the day, but not too much. It's really all about balance.
Nutritionists say what's on the front of the package is just as important as what's on the food label.
The word organic actually means that that food is certified organic. So it's grown without pesticides, it's grown without, or if it's an animal product, it doesn't have growth hormones in it. There are certainly some words on the front of a food label that mean essentially nothing legally. So you can say the food is natural. The word light means that the food has 1/3 fewer calories or fat than the typical version of that food.
When it comes to the contents of a food label, less is better.
Foods that are the healthiest for you, you have to remember, are not even going to have a food label. So fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, things like chicken, ground beef.
Nutritionists say the serving size and percent daily value are key to a healthy diet.
If the serving size is listed as 8 crackers and you eat 16 crackers, you're going to have to multiply all of the calorie values. People sometimes get confused when they look at the protein or calories or fat because they're not really sure how much of those things they should be taking in per day. So that's where the percent daily value really comes into play. If you look to the very right of the food label, you'll see sometimes it will say percent daily value or percent DV.